Based on your biodata, your personal motto is, sometimes the strongest move forward begins with a brave pause. In this context, how do you define the difference between pausing and giving up? Again.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. In my journey in pageantry, ever since I was elementary, specifically grade 5 up until now, 8 years of growth. I've placed winner. I've even ended up runner-ups and sometimes unplaced. It teaches me and allows me to embrace the beauty of pause. Ladies and gentlemen, I stand here believing and saying to everyone that pauses or pausing is not about giving up, but it is about giving you a chance to rebuild and to give another chance for yourself, stronger, wiser, and once again, sometimes the strongest comeback is a brave pause. And I stand here, I carry that strength, I carry that motto that speaks even in silence. Maayong gabi sa inyo ug daghang salamat.
Thank you, 𝗕𝗶𝗶𝗏. A strongest comeback comes from, what was that again? Here is your question. Based on your biodata, you are an agriculture and biosystems engineering student, advocating to change how the younger generation views agriculture. Given this, what do you think is the root cause of the declining interests of youth in agriculture today? Again.
Mayong gabi, Central Mindanao University. As an agricultural and biosystems engineering student myself, I'm standing here advocating and hopes to change the narratives and the stories in the minds of the younger generation about agriculture today. That it is no longer just about backbreaking manual labor, but it is all about technology, it is all about innovation, and it should always be our avenue in order for us to contribute meaningfully in building the nation. Because I always dream of a future where children or our younger generation no longer associate farming with struggles alone, but with dignity, with opportunity, and real-life progress. A future where agriculture is no longer seen as something that they could escape, rather than something that a meaningful and a respected profession, one that feeds our nation and shapes our future. And I think that is the future that my advocacy believes in, and that is also something that I will continue to fight for. Maayong gabi ka natin tanan.
Thank you so much, Ginoo number 9. Maraming salamat po.